Hello, my name is Navdeep Yadav and I am from group number 5 by 101, and today we are here to talk about the auscultation of the heart. So in the auscultation of heart we mainly check the four wall of the heart, which is aortic, pulmonic and tricuspid and mitral wall. So if we talk about aortic wall, then it is present in the second intercostal space and in right side. And then if we talk about the pulmonic wall, which is present in the left side and same as right in second intercostal space. Then we talk about tricuspid wall, which is present at the left lower border of the sternum, and it's present. And if we talk about mitral wall, then it is present in the left mid clavicular line of the um, mid clavicular line and fifth intercostal space. So in the auscultation of heart we check these walls, that how the sound is coming from these walls, which is normal or not. We all see by the stethoscope, which is we check by here. And also we check the sound like S1 and S2, which is coming normal or not. And also we check sound S1 and S2 both from four walls. Then first of all, here is it is clavicle, then between first intercostal space and then the second intercostal space. So here it is present aortic wall, which we can auscultate here. And then here it is pulmonic wall, which is left side, and it is same as second intercostal space. And then here it is tricuspid wall, which is present at the left lower border of the sternum, and also we can listen here. And fourth at the fourth intercostal space. And then here we can see at a fifth intercostal space of the left side, and here it is present mitral wall.